What's going on, Game Time Gurus Nation? So like I said, this will be the last and final update. I know I said in the last video it was going to be the last update. However, I just wanted to show you the money. Remember in the beginning, the Game Time Gurus want to take you by the hand and show you the money. So the books have already credited me. We got an $8.33 profit. Not bad for the first night. Quick preseason NFL jab. So it's time to rock and roll, guys. So listen, if you're not a VIP member, hey man, I would consider being one. $100 right now, price lock guarantee. You're gonna be grandfathered in for $100 a month, and you're gonna have access to the live betting portal, which is basically our meeting room, go-to-meeting webinar room, where you're gonna see a screen like that, and you're gonna be seeing us pulling these triggers. You get you another device, pull these same triggers, make the same money, and watch your money grow, guys. So this is how we're doing it. Hey man, it's legendary. It's the Game Time Gurus, and we're excited. So we're signing out, guys. I don't want to make this video long. We'll be back. Plenty of action. Remember, live to bet again. Bankroll is king. So let's build our king up so we can go ahead and make a withdrawal. All right, guys. So we'll see you in the next. We'll see you in the next case study. See you in the next project. God bless you guys.